What's up, you guys? I got my logo hoodie on. Check it out. My channel logo hoodie on. Yeah. Hey, I saw this story of this 40-year-old white man killing his coworker that's 20. And they both were welders at this company in Minnesota. He said he planned on attacking her. That's sad. He said he never liked her. Just went up to her and went, oh, with a sledgehammer. He went, oh, oh. Is it a good idea for men and women to be working together? Because, you're putting women around men that don't get no pussy at all. And they probably start treating them like they're dumb, they're ignorant. And then he gonna snap on her. That's sad, man. How can you take a sledgehammer and
That was on some tick 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 boom type shit.